So I thought that I would take the opportunity to give everybody a tutorial on making mullein tea. This right here is a mullein plant, and if you use these leaves you can make a tea. This you saw earlier, and it is the mullein plant that has gone to seed. So we have some mullein that we have dried since earlier this summer, and we are going to make some mullein tea. Okay, we're going to bring some water to boil, and we are going to then throw these leaves in there. I stole my wife's kitchen. She's making potato chips. Okay guys, we got bubbles, which means I'm going to turn this burner off and stick these leaves in here to steep. What we're going to do here is pour the water in here when it is finished steeping, and then we are going to add half a cup of lemon, the juice. We will add about 1/8 of a cup of honey and 20 drops of peppermint extract, and that's going to be our mullein tea. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching, God bless, and see you next time.